Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to look at the 7.1 surround sound wireless gaming headset. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, look at all the components, everything, manual, and then we're going to do some tests, and then we'll do a review. So we're just going to jump right into it. So here we have the box cover. It's a G80. Here's the back of the box, the side. So it has shifting RGB lights, removable microphone, and comfort fit. Let's see what the other one says. 2.4G wireless. And then we have up to 10 hours, virtual 7.1 surround sound. So here we have the rules, or the manual. So we have the manual for the Nintendo Switch, all the indicator, troubleshooting tips, product parameter, and then customer service. So all that information, caution use, features, functions of the buttons, how to set up with devices. So PC, Mac, laptops, PS4, PS5. Here's the headset. I believe this is probably the mic. Now, here's the USB connector. See if I think it might even come. I'll have to look at it. I think it comes out also as well, this part. So it looks like there's for different connections. So here's the mic, which connects right here. Seems pretty smooth. Actually, right here's the mic. So this is obviously for something else. Right there. So you just adjust it and keep adjusting it. So here's the charging port, it looks like. Here we have the volume. We have another there, and then volume plus and on off. Seems pretty tight. There's the adjuster. Adjusts pretty easily. It doesn't turn, so it's just adjusts that way. Pretty flexible. Here's the cable. This is the charging cable. And then you have a cable right here. So that's everything included in the box. We will be looking more at the specs and then the review. Okay, so we tested the headset. My son plays Fortnite. He really enjoyed the headset. The audio sounds really good. You're able to hear the footsteps coming, the character coming closer to you. The person on the other end is able to hear the microphone, and it's clear. They don't have to turn up the audio or turn it down. So it's nice level. Also, the audio, you could hear like the gunshots from different angles. And so really well made headset. Very impressed. It's virtual 7.1 surround sound, and you could tell when you listen to it. And so we're going to just jump right to the review. Now, for the microphone, I'm going to give it like a 4 out of 5 because there is no way to adjust the mic audio or anything. You could adjust the audio for the headset itself, the listen part, but the mic itself, you can't adjust it. You have to pretty much adjust it before you play, or you get out and adjust it that way. the audio levels. So really good microphone. Just wish that there was ways to adjust it better. And then there's also, we're going to do the comfort next. Very comfortable. I give it 4 out of 5. The reason I'm just giving it a 4 out of 5 is because it is a little heavy. Also, it's kind of bulky. I think the footprint could be smaller. The design could be better implemented. This is very smooth, but I've seen a lot smoother like adjustments, and it's very loud when you adjust. But for the design comfort, I'm giving it like a 4 out of 5. The cushion's good. That's the best. Really well cushioned around the ears and everything. Also, there's good cushion on the top. So for the audio itself, listening, I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 5. Really good audio. You can hear the bullets, different angles, the person coming at you. So very impressed with that aspect of the headset. And then for the color, some of the extra features and everything, like the colors change in the headset. I'm just going to give it like a 3 out of 5. It's cool, but it's not like it's that impressive because it doesn't have like it colored certain things or certain designs. Here, let's turn on. We'll see. And so you'll see it only covers that aspect and this aspect. So it doesn't like light up that. It's cool like the flames in that aspect, but so features 3 out of 5. So for the manuals and everything, charging, I'm just gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I think the buttons could be better. They're kind of not as responsive. They're kind of, when you press down, you have to make sure you press down good enough, especially when you're playing, because they're not to the point where they're as responsive as a lot of headsets. And so you just have to make sure. So overall total, the head's a great headset. Probably one of the better ones we've used. There's a lot of name brands and some of like less known brands that are really good. I would say that this is probably in the not the middle, but a little bit higher in the topper tier, especially for the price range. So 4 out of 5 in the headset. I think this will be satisfy a lot of people that buy this headset because it works very well and does everything that's supposed to be doing very well. Just wish that there were some minor improvements like the microphone adjustments that you don't have to do it in post and you could just do it, or you could just do it while you're playing. The bulkiness is a little bulky, and so just some minor designs that I think could be improved on. So 4 out of 5. Hope this helps you in your buying decision process.